Welcome back, guys. Putting the liners in this 453T, and thought I'd bring you along to show you what you've got to do. I've put the O-rings in already, and the only thing you got to do is make sure these screws are very clean and dry. Insert the O-rings in and then lubricate them. I'm using Crisco shortening as per the manual. Seems to work really nice. The liner prep, just make sure it's really clean and use a little lubricant on that as well. So the numbers go over to the on this engine, the idler shaft, opposite of the camshaft for your connecting rods. Okay, then come up to the first O-ring. Just gently rock the liner back and forth. There. And lock down the liner. Use basically anything, it doesn't have to be fancy. I just used some old iron I had laying around. Rod bolts are 40 to 45 foot-pounds of torque. So the torque goes down. There, I just double torque them, and again, it turns freely, so very nice indeed. So all the numbers line up on your main caps. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. So that's all there is to putting in liners on these 453Ts, or even a natural, same thing. Just make sure your O-ring grooves are nice and clean. You use a good lubricant and they slide right in. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll bring you back when we assemble the head. Take care.